Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is January 25th when I'm recording this, and today the market had a bit of a wild ride, and it was pretty much Microsoft's fault. So we can see that the huge volume on earnings, it was up in the overnight and then down a lot in the overnight by the time that the market opened. And you can see that there was a pretty big outsized move today, and you know what? It all got bought back up. So for now, we need to be kind of considering this to be bullish. Now, if we look at this as some of the context, what's going on here? Well, if we look here, we do have Microsoft right on the monthly 50 SMA. However, it is getting wedged between the 10. So which one's going to win? We don't know yet. And if we look at the weekly chart, we have a double bottom right here on the weekly 200. Now, I always say a double bottom works when it works. Otherwise, it's a resting place until price moves lower. And what we don't know yet is if this is a resting place or if it is in fact a double bottom and price is going to go higher. But for now, it's looking pretty good and pretty official. So, let's kind of keep that in the back of our mind. And then the other thing is, if we come down here to the daily and the hourly time frames, what we can then see, zoom in here, is we notice that there is a double bottom here, which we saw earlier on the weekly chart, and positive divergence. You can see that the Moxie indicator is significantly higher. Not only that, but price below the daily 50 and the Moxie indicator above 0 is a trampoline move. So that's a bullish condition. On the hourly chart, we can also see the same thing. We've had price below the hourly 50, but the Moxie indicator above 0. So again, looking like a bullish condition. The other interesting thing is that we have the hourly 50 starting to cross over the hourly 200. So that if that continues to work that way, that's going to be bullish too. We also have the daily 8 crossing over the daily 21. So we're going to have to see how long that this can actually hold up and say bullish, because that was a pretty darn good recovery today, and we'll have to see where it goes from there. I don't know how much further all this goes, but I am seeing bullishness, and that's pretty much the direction that we should be looking at. I am seeing some longer term basing stuff. That doesn't mean it has to go up, but it looks to me like a lot of things have kind of found their footing or their equilibrium, and they're probably in basing / hibernation mode. So we'll have to see if there's much traction there, whether the market goes up or down. All right, everyone. Thanks again. We'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis.